Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Omi. This was requested by Sean from the Telegram chat. Uh, Great, smart investor. Really enjoy having him in our little community over in the Telegram chat. Make sure to check out the chat. It's linked in the description. A lot of great stuff and great low cap gems being shared there. So make sure to come and visit us. Now we are on Omi, and this is against Tether. We are on the daily charts, and as you can see, we did have this little pump on August 2nd. This was when it was added to the OKX exchange. So I do think this is a fairly new crypto. I didn't do much research into it. I just wanted to look at the technical aspect because that was requested by Sean. So I'm looking at OKX or OKX, however you want to spell it. So we have been in this falling wedge, as you can see, and the breakout target from this wedge is where it was initially created. So that does give us a technical target of 0.0035 cents. So this is something that we can potentially expect. And you know, slowly but surely we're going to get there. If Bitcoin, keeps its shit together, we should probably keep on moving on with all our altcoins that we're targeting on this channel. So keep that in mind. Bitcoin is the king of altcoins, and you should always keep Bitcoin in mind. But as you can see, we don't have a lot of data on OMI. If we go to the 4 hourly chart, you can see this falling wedge a bit better with our target over there. So slowly but surely, we're going to get there. We are above the 20 EMA, which is great, but we need the bullish cross to occur because that is very important. As you all know, I talk about the bullish crosses a lot. Oh, I do apologize. I don't have the brush fixed up. That is weird. Let's change that to white and let's make it a bit more thicker. There we go. Oh, yeah. I just changed it back. Okay, there we go. Okay, yep. Now I can start drawing properly. I do apologize about that. Just gonna remove all of this. So when we have this bullish cross where the 20 EMA crosses above the 55 EMA, which is the red exponential moving average, that is a confirmation that we are entering an uptrend. If you're above the 20 EMA, you're in an uptrend, but if you're in between the EMAs, essentially you're consolidating, and the EMAs are pushing you up, and they're forcing you to go up and basically forcing you into a move. So yeah, I am expecting a move on Omi. To be fair with you, and it's looking good on the charts. We're in a bullish pattern. We're breaking out of a bullish pattern. We do have our technical indicator for it, so it's looking great. If we take a look at the RSI, you can see that we're starting to make higher highs and higher lows. Essentially, we are in an uptrend. If we do take a look at the MACD, because I am currently on the trading view, and they do allow only 3 indicators, so I do apologize. But if we bring up the MACD, as you can see, we have created the bullish cross below the histogram, which is bullish, and now we want to start getting above the histogram on the MACD. So this is a lagging indicator, as you all know. The price action does something first, then you move to the MACD and look for a confirmation. That is basically our confirmation. If we jump into the 1 hourly chart, you can see that on the I do apologize actually. I should remove the MACD just for now, and I want to bring back the RSI. I don't have the relative strength index. Yep, I do. Okay, you can see that we have slowly but surely been making these higher highs on the RSI as well. As you can see, so we're adhering to this trend line. So potentially, if you want to get into the project, then look to buy off this trend line. We have actually bounced just over here, so this is a confirmation. Probably right now would be a nice place to get some OMI tokens. But so far so good. It's looking great. Obviously, if you start falling down, then look for support levels, and you can look at those based off the candles. So as you can see, we got supported off of this area over here, as you can see, and let's just see where we can find a bit more support. Let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, so we're starting, we have got a bit overextended from the 20 EMA over here, as you can see. When you get far above the 20 EMA, you tend to come back to it. Think of the EMAs kind of like magnets. The 20 EMA is the strongest magnet out of all, and the price should hold and stay above it for us to be in that uptrend that we want OMI to be in. So yeah, keep in mind this technical indicator is still in play. You could invalidate it, and the only way you invalidate this pattern is if you start breaking down and you lose the support line of the falling wedge, basically, and you come back down, and that is the bear market that everybody's talking about. That is if Bitcoin corrects, and we have a dead cat bounce right now. I apologize about the video. Yeah, this video has been kind of messy. I do apologize. So yeah, it's looking great overall. Let me just throw the fib up just to see what we're doing on the fib side of A, just like this, to the top, just right there. Okay, so obviously the 0.618, the golden ratio, that is a major key resistance level that you want to keep an eye on. So if we come up and start breaking it, that's when you know you're pretty much set to have new all-time highs. So keep that in mind. What we can do is also get rejected, bounce off the 0.5, hold it as support, and then start our move to the upside. So yeah, we do have two technical targets at the minute. And obviously, if we continue with this uptrend, you take a look at the fib, we do have a lot of targets ahead, and some resistance, obviously. I don't consider this wick over here because this was the listing, so prices usually pump when we do have a listing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for OMI, guys. Buy off the 20 EMA on the 4 hourly chart, buy off the support. I do actually see another nice support level over here, so if it ever does come back to this level, that is a nice place to put some bits in. I'm going to give you these buying orders right now. So that is 0.0026, and this would be 0.0025. So yeah, two nice levels, guys, but dollar cost averaging is your best friend throughout the bull market and throughout the bear market. I always say that. So yeah, that's a bit of TA for OMI. Hope you enjoyed. Gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.